Hey babe, where you?
At our usual.
Oh, you meant our other usual. Maybe we should just reschedule.
Or let's find a new usual.
Urban Cruiser. Be bold, be curious.
Itiski TV, powered by World Sports Betting, itiskitimes.co.za. Sikukune United 0, Orlando Pirates 1. Ngumdlalo wokuqala, first leg we-semi-finals zale tumente season 2026-2027. Tournament yokuqala ke edlalwayo before zonke ezinye tournaments zize. After le sizawudlala i-Carling Knockout Cup. Later on in the season, towards the end of the season, January, sidlala ke the FA Cup esiyazi njenge-Nedbank Cup. Zikhona ezinye itumente ezodlala, CAF Confederations Cup, CAF Champions League, i-Sundowns sizodlala ke i-CAF Super Cup ezi-champions ze-CAF Champions League. Bazawudlala I think apha ku-September, September, right?
Yeah.
September 8th, if I'm not mistaken.
September 8th,
Yeah,
September,
yeah,
yeah.
ngumdlalo nayo. I think saniphathele lapha kwi-Diski TV i-analysis yawo lo mdlalo because ngumdlalo noko ubalulekileyo. CAF Super Cup idlala intshatsheli ze-CAF Champions League neentshatsheli ze-CAF Confederations Cup. Bobuzini bawudlala kwesingabani le tournament? Okwesibini, CAF Super Cup, right? Nidlale 2016.
Yeah.
Nizoyidlala again now 2026. Bobuzini besibukele i-M108 mhlobo wami. Wafa.
Khona kushodayo mngani wami.
Shotani mhlobo wami.
Hayi phela word of the day mngani wami ngihlala ngizwa yonke into defending champion but my mobizo Orlando Pirates ke-M108 awimention ukuthi defending champion.
Ingxaki
NakuKhalling ngisazozwa defending champion.
ingxaki ndiwine too much ndilibale ngomhlobo wami.
Hayi kona ngesilungu le season le yonke into nje uma introduce Orlando Pirates
Defending
champion.
Except noma zachita ngoJanuary ka-Nedbank Cup.
Ku-CAF sozomana usho ukuthi
Former champions.
no ngamani ibeke mhlambe nge-early what ngoba uphume ku-preliminary.
No, ayibali le mhlobo wami. Ngathi former
Okay.
champions, the CAF Champions League. I mean, akhona ngayiwinanga
Yeah,
man.
we former 31 years yeah usase former mwana. It's okay.
Bosini,
Alright.
ndisharp mhlobo
Yeah
wami.
mngani wami no
Sharp,
ngiright ithi ngibingelela madoda la
Yeah.
studio shake.
Masiye kulo mdlalo bobusini.
Yeah.
Orlando Pirates and Isikhukhune United. Orlando Pirates winning okwesithathu against Isikhukhune in cup games, but cultural league games Isikhukhune ngathi sine upper hand because kuthiwa in the last 5 games the league Orlando Pirates has only won once or twice against Isikhukhune. Isikhukhune has won 3 times. In the upper hand over Orlando Pirates. So noko Isikhukhune sibonakala siyi-team edla ngonika Orlando Pirates problems. Besibukele namhlanje but Orlando Pirates came out victorious. Ubone njani umdlalo?
Yeah Shane ithi ngibongele Orlando Pirates ngibongele nesikhukhuni ukuthi sithathe le game siyimikise lapha because of besibalekela le heavy score. So advantage yabo ukuthi bamikise le game lapho kubalekela i heavy score Orlando Pirates ayikho enye into Shane because kumele ubheke ukuthi why bebathatha igame bayimikisa lapho. Okay ngaba mhlawumbe ama stadium ane problem but for bona ukudlalela kule pitch kube advantage kubo ukuthi banga concede more playing against
But
Orlando
did they
Pirates.
use that advantage?
Ukuthi azange consider more goals. Yiyo advantage yakhona Shane. So ngicabanga ukuthi Orlando Pirates ngicabanga ukuthi nginikeze credit Shane because we all know man ukuthi leya pitch akusi pitch ama team amaninga enjoy ukudlalela kuleya pitch. So but Orlando Pirates into eyenzile ihambile yafika yagrind ama results yaphuma yahamba. Ilento idingayo Shane. Akusadingakala ukuthi udlale ibhola elihle kuma pitch afana nalawa. Into kumele uyenze kuphela ukuthi okay angizange ngikhonile ukuthi ngigrind ama results for ku first league. Ngicabanga ukuthi into right yenziwe Orlando Pirates kunokuthi ufune mhlambe ukwenza into eziningi because uyazi ukuthi it's difficult to play nalama team mhlambe kulama pitch afana nalawa. So well done to Orlando Pirates ikwazi ukuthi iphumelele kuleya pitch Shane ku first league because now mayodlala ekhaya umsebenzi ukusikhukhuni ukuthi kumele ifike isebenze because now iconsidered ekhaya Shane. So yeah mawungabheka i-team efana nesikhukhuni Shane njengoba ngicala ngayo the way iqale ngakhona ngicabanga ukuthi beyevele yazi ukuthi ayifuni ukuconsider because bheka nale ngendlela mhlawumbe bedlala ngakhona first half mawungabheka benabadlala abane creativity abomkwena Mujela and also uRamala and also noNdlovu up front but uma ungabheka the way bebadlala ngakhona yes bebaba nama moment yokuthi bafuna uku-attack but bekungasi into engicabanga ukuthi bebanga continue baloko bayenza because you see Umjela he was playing wide but uyabuya uzo assist le left back esikhukhuni uyabuya ngapha sibona umkwena I think bokumdlalo kumele adlale ka right but uma ba structure le team yabo but bekangena ngaphakathi allowing former right back bafana uNyiko Mobi to use lesser space going forward but uma ungabheka it was difficult for uMobi because kumele abuye azodlala la khona ngicabanga ukuthi uMatsimbi bekazama ukumcover khona as a center right so ngicabanga ukuthi isikhukhuni bekungasi i-team engicabanga ukuthi bechubeka lokhu busy funa attack Orlando Pirates because ungabheka uBright Ndlovu he was struggling la wina khona amabhola uBright bathatha isikhathi ukubuya bazom-assista that is why abosiyema noSibisi bekulula for bona ukuthi mabafika physically bazama ukuthi balwe nomdlalo ofana noNdlovu until la khona mhlambe azolinda abomkwena babuye because of basuka badrophile bafuna ukudefenda kuleya team yesikhukhuni so ngicabanga ukuthi it was difficult because ne creativity kubo mawungabheka uBright is a finisher but if you don't give uBright amabhola up front expect ukuthi uBright kumele enzeni because at the end of the day uzobamba ibhola la khona ama defender ngicabanga ukuthi enze kahle kakhulu abosiyema ukuthi badile nalesa striker because ba analyze kahle i-attack esikhukhuni because uBright nabomkwena those are the players ngicabanga nabomjela abanikeza isikhukhuni i-attack but now if bakwazi ukudila noBright angakwazi ukuthola mhlambe lawo ma space lawo mabhola ukuthi uBright can punish kusho nokuthi they did well but for isikhukhuni ngicabanga ukuthi Shane bazamile man the likes of abomkhize in the middle of the park no bani lento anadlala nayo ku midfield ukuthi bazame ukuthi bafuna ukuthi badlale but they failing abayenzi more than 5 touches why because of Shane uma ngabe awucabangi ngokudlala mhlamba ama forward pass ngaso sonke isikhathi kuyoba difficult for wena because ila ngibona khona abomkobethu ba controller le midfield yeOrlando Pirates so ngicabanga ukuthi bekunzima for bona abadlali besikhukhuni ukuthi bengakathola ligoli maybe if bekungavela nje lawo ma chances esiwabonile mhlamba umjela enza lama box entries but it was difficult for bona because no Ramala udlalela kude kakhulu Shane.
You think coach Wadu it was a good idea for yena okanye had a good plan ukuthi adlalise la midfield 3 of uMukoboti and also Umtiane then uMasilela in front of them and also what did you make of Umasilela mhlanje it was his first start of the season Orlando Pirates has been coming on as a sub but namhlanje uqale umdlalo but he played the first 45 minutes what did you make of him and also la midfield 3 Orlando Pirates what do you think coach Wadu was trying to achieve ngodlalisa la midfield 3
yeah ngicabanga ukuthi Shane ukunikeza uMasilela leya chance ukuthi aka start while unomkobedu ku midfield and also nomThiane into engicabanga ukuthi uzama ukuyiletha because khumbula ukuthi manje Orlando Pirates kunabadlali abanama injuries kuleya midfield Orlando Pirates so njengoba ubona azama ukuprepare leya midfield uzama ukuthi abadlali abathola ama minutes babe ready because umbonile noma Khehleni Makhawule ebenchini umlethele lokho manje ukuthi sekuyisikhathi sokuthi ababuye manje so ukuprepare leya midfield yakhe the way ngimbona ucoach Wadu enza ngakhona Shane ukwenza abadlali babe ready because ama game maningi mawungabheka kumele ukuthi adlale kuOrlando Pirates so uMasilela mawungabheka first half Shane they were trying ukuthola Umbuthuma behind the defense and uLungu behind the defense la ngibona uLungu I think he did very well man because bekazama ukuba naleyo creativity bekazama ukuwina lawo mabhola uLungu but the problem ukuthi now ukuthi leya central yabo Cardoso defense idila ngombuthuma idila ngale front line yeOrlando Pirates I think they did very well uCardoso for me if bebadlala idraw naye bekakhona kuma man of the match wami I think uwine ama-jewels amaningi kakhulu uCardoso kuleya defense yesikhukhuni ngicabanga ukuthi udlale kahle kakhulu Shane so iOrlando Pirates njengoba ngisho ngithi bebazama Shane ukuthi bafuna ukuletha amabhola behind the defense but they failed at the end of the day la sengibona khona uHoto kuye emdlali bengicabanga ukuthi angasebenzisa lesa space because ile space ebekade basishile la uApolisa angena ngaphakathi to allow uHoto asebenzise le space la khona afike wascora khona uHoto ngicabanga ukuthi la bekumele iOrlando Pirates izame ukuthi pushe khona kulela side because beba overloada kakhulu kulela side la kaLungu. So ngicabanga ukuthi yi side Orlando Pirates ebe ingathola ngalo igoli because uHoto sometimes i-end product inokumshaya, but today ngicabanga ukuthi uyenze kahle to score la goal Shane kuleya angle kunikeze Orlando Pirates i-lead Shane. So yeah, okunye futhi engikubonile angazi ngicabanga ukuthi leya left back esikhukhuni Shane abo referee that's why ngithi mina angithandi ukugceka kubo kakhulu. Why bangambukhanga early lo muntu? Because always ushama late tackle kubolungu. I think uthole more than 5 yama foul. Angisho ukuthi wonke lama foul kumele abe ma yellow card, but kune foul la ngibona khona late tackle behind ulungu. Give that guy a yellow
Even
card.
first half,
So that azokwazi ukudlala safe because the more umyeke ungamnikezi card uzochubeka adlala lama foul egcineni ugcina ulimaza abadlali. So ngicabanga ukuthi nayo referee mhlawumbe bagcina abadlali mhlawumbe enkundleni bangababhuki for isikhathi eside, and lento le yenza ukuthi egcineni lo muntu adlale free. So I think if umdlali deserve icard Shane kumele umnikeze. So njengamanje uyabona uma ngabe usithola i-player efana nale ya left back iyenza ama foul afana nalawa Shane, siyocala sikhulume ngaye uma sekunama serious injury, but ngicabanga ukuthi kumele bayilungise isase early Shane.
Bosin, masivala.
Sivale mwana.
Yeah, usafuna ukuqhubeka?
No, singayivala mngwana wami. Uma ngabe sothola isignal kumele sivale mngwana wami. But well done to Orlando Pirates. Ngicabanga ukuthi Shane iyenze kahle wena mngwana wami ngendlela ngisho ngakhona ukuwina leya game. Abanye mhlambe singasho sithi iPirates ayidlalanga kahle. Shane kunala kumele sigrind ama results siphume sihambe because egcineni uma ubona ukuthi izinto azenzekile wefuna zenzeke ngakhona njengamanje uyabona cishe kuyi-affectile Orlando Pirates ukuphuma kwaMkobodi no Apolis ungabheka ngendlela bese idlala ngakhona kusafani na before. Ngicabanga ukuthi abomkobodi bokubadlala ngicabanga bangayimanage leya game because you need game management if ubona isimo sikanje, not ukuthi ngoba uhlulekile. So bengithi uzongibuza mhlawumbe ngestriker sakho esingene ngesub Shane. Ngicabanga ukuthi it's fair ukuthi ucoach amlethe ngalesa sikhathi. Yeah, mina Shane angithanda ukujudge abadlali kusase early Shane. And njengamanje ungena iOrlando Pirates iyaluza iyawina nga-1-0 u-expecteni because I think instruction from coach Wado akasadingi more kule attack. Umbonile beka drop adlala deep la khona nika leya defense yesikhukhuni i-chance ukuthi ba build up. So ngicabanga ukuthi udlale from instruction yaka coach. Yes, abanye abantu bangamjudge ngalawo ma-touches, but this is PSL and it's difficult to judge a player ngegame e-1 Shane. So ngicabanga ukuthi isikhathi uma siya hila sizombona khona istriker se-Orlando Pirates ukuthi na usiphatheleni going forward, but kwamanje ngicela singamjudge ngalama game afana nalawo because baningi abadlali esikwazi ukubajaja bafika ku PSL, but after mhlawumbe 10 games lo yamdlali ukhona ukubona ukuthi ugood kuphi because it's difficult sometimes to adjust kulama league afana ne PSL Shane.
Well, Bosin, masivala mhlobam. First leg we're MTN 8 at the old Peter Mokaba Stadium. Sekhukhune 0, Orlando Pirates 1. Thank you so much for watching Itiski TV.
Hola bafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.